I do.
Well, hello! My name is Jumpy Yampy. Let's check out my cool toys. Tap on the box to see what's inside. This is my bouncy ball. Yippee! Tap to see what is in there. And here are my building blocks. Tap to see what is there. And this is my rig stacker. Wow! You know many colorful toys now. Until next time.
We will have friends over for playtime soon. Move the toys to their right spots. Yay! Now we can play! We have a new puzzle. Let's solve it. Let's try to solve the puzzle. Very well done. Can you do it again? Let's try to solve the puzzle. Looks fantastic! We have a new puzzle. Let's solve it. Let's try to solve the puzzle. Very well done. Squares? Very well. Which one is square-shaped? Tap on them. Fabulous. Oh, look, there's more. Hooray! Shape Master has lost some of his shapes. Some are big, some are small. We need to put the right size into the right spot. It looks great. You are great at this. The Shape Master is so proud of you.
Hello, my name is Fruity Patootie, and here are some yummy fruits. Pick a fruit. This is a watermelon. It's sweet and full of vitamins. Pick another fruit. This is an apple, so fresh and red. One fruit left. Pick it. This is a pineapple. Mmm, so juicy. Now you know about some yummy fruits. Hooray!